Good morning. I'm Miss Donna. We're going to try an experiment called the floating M's. So you have a cup with a lid with 4 M&Ms. You will need water, this cup, or you could do a few different cups and see what happens. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some water into the cup. And what do you think is going to happen? Do you think the M&Ms are going to sink or float? And I'm putting the M side of the M&M up. Let's see what, whoops, oh, it went straight to the bottom. Let's try another one. I'm seeing my water is turning color. It's now turning orange. Let's see what happens when I put the blue one in. Straight to the bottom. And let's try the green. So let's see if our water turns green, blue, and orange. That means that the M&M coating is coming off. It's dissolving in the water. So I'm going to put the other orange one in and see what happens. So all of our M&Ms are in the water and they all went straight to the bottom. So what is our M doing on our M&Ms? Okay, so we're getting, it's from my orange M&M, the first one I put in, it's starting to turn white. All of the colors coming off of that one, and the blue one is next. Just watch it. What's going to happen? You see? When you wait, they're getting the colors coming off more and more as it sits in the water. So what do you think the chocolate's going to do? You think that's all going to dissolve too? My first orange one is almost white, and the green one is almost white. Let's see what happens with our M's. Wow, they're really starting to change, except for that one blue one yet. When the color comes off, do you think they will float or still be on the bottom? Okay, so as we're watching it, looks like the shell is coming off a little bit more on this, especially this one over here on this side. There goes the coating and the M. So we have a floating M. Why do you think the M is floating? Some parts of your favorite candy are water soluble. What does water soluble mean? It dissolves in water, of course. Water molecules are able to surround the molecules of the solid and dissolve it into water. It's made out of edible paper. You can also see this paper on cakes. So far we have one floating M in there, and as time would pass, we should see 3 more. That blue one really is not turning white very much. If you see this one over here, it's partially peeled off. It looks more like an N than an M, so it's still peeling. It's like the outside shell is peeling. So this is the end result. We had 4 M&Ms. It looks like we have 2 pieces of one of the M's and a whole M, and the other 2 did nothing so far. So see how your experiment goes. We'd love to hear what happens with your experiment.